Story about the life of Prophet Harun alayhi salam. Prophet Harun, peace be upon him, is a revered figure in Islamic tradition and is also significant in Jewish Christianity narratives in Islam. Prophet Harun is recognized as a prophet and the brother of Prophet Musa. Musa's peace be upon him, his life is deeply connected with Prophet Musa's mission to liberate the children of Israel from Pharaoh tyranny and guide them to worship of Allah. Below is a detailed account of his life based on Islamic teaching and the Quran. Family and early life. Prophet Harun alayhi salam was born into the family of Amram, Imran in Arabic, and Jochebed of the Levite tribe of the Israelites in Egypt. He was 3 years older than his younger brother Musa. Their sisters Maryam also played a significant role in their story. Harun alayhi salam was born during a time when the Israelites were enslaved by Pharaoh, who had decreed the killing of all newborn Israelites males. Despite this, he survived and grew up among his people. Harun is described as eloquent in speech, voice, and pious. He was known for his ability to communicate effectively, a trait that must would later complement Musa's leadership. Harun's role in Musa's prophethood. When Allah appointed Musa as a prophet and tasked him with confronting Pharaoh, Musa expressed his concern about his speech impediment and asked for Harun to be made a prophet to assist him and appoint for me a helper from my family. Harun, my brother, increased through him my strength and let him share my task. Allah accepted Musa's request and appointed Harun as a prophet. Harun became Musa's closest companion, sharing the responsibility of delivering Allah's message to Pharaoh and the Israelites. Confrontation with Pharaoh. Musa and Harun went together to Pharaoh, conveying Allah's message to release the Israel from bondage and to worship Allah alone. Despite their clear sign and miracles, Pharaoh arrogantly rejected their call, accusing them of sorcery. He mocked their message and defied Allah's sign, including the turning of Musa's staff into a serpent and the shining light from his hand. Harun supported Musa in this confrontation, often using his persuasive speech to emphasize their mission. The Quran highlights their unfailing effort. So go, both of you, to him and say, Indeed, we are messengers of your Lord. So send with us the children of Israel and do not torment them. The Exodus and the Golden Calf incident. After Pharaoh's refusal and the series of plagues sent by Allah, Musa and Harun led the Israelites out of Egypt. This event, known as the Exodus, was marked by the miraculous parting of the Red Sea, allowing the Israel to escape, while Pharaoh and his army were drowned. Following their escape, the Israelites journeyed through the desert toward the promised land. During this time, Musa ascended Mount Sinai to receive the Torah. He left Harun in charge of the people in his absence, trusting him to guide and maintain order. However, the Israel grew restless during Musa's absence and were influenced by a man named Samiri to create and worship a golden calf. Harun tried to disgust them. Oh, my people, you are only being tested by this, and indeed your Lord is the most merciful. So follow and obey my order. Despite his efforts, many of the Israel persisted in their disobedience. When Musa returned and saw what had happened, he was furious at confronting Harun. Harun explained that he had done his best to prevent the sin but feared causing division among the people. O son of my mother, do not seize me by my beard or by my head. Indeed, I fear that you would say, you caused division among the children of Israel, and you did not observe my word. Musa forgave Harun, understanding the difficult situation he faced. Harun leadership and legacy. Throughout their mission, Harun played a vital role in guiding the Israel and assisting Musa in delivering Allah's command. He served as a moral and spiritual leader, emphasizing the worship of Allah and adherence to divine guidance. Harun is remembered for his humility, patience, and eloquence. His life serves as an example of unwavering support for truth and justice even in the face of great challenging. Harun's death. Harun passed away during the Israel journey through the desert. According to Islamic tradition, his death was peaceful and he was mourning deeply by the Israel. His burial site is traditionally believed to be in the region of Petra, modern day Jordan. Although this is not definitely confirmed, lessons from Prophet Harun lives, unity in leadership. This partnership between Musa and Harun demonstrated the importance of cooperation and complemented each other's strength in leadership. Second, patience in adversity. Harun's patience during the Golden Calf incident highlight the need for calmness and wisdom when dealing with challenges. 3. Clear communication. His eloquence and ability to connect with people shows the value of effective communications in delivering a message. Prophet Harun's life is a reminder of the importance of faith, perseverance, and collaboration in fulfilling divine responsibilities. His legacy continues to inspire believers across generations. All my stories are based on reality. I collect this data from Google, some books, and then publish it here. But still, if there is any mistake in it, you can correct it because we cannot separate wrong things about Islam. So, if something is wrong, then you must tell me in the comments.